Hey guys and gals, check this out. But guys and gals, check this out. Little Corn Island. Little Corn Island might be the one. I found it. Base science does it again. We found no salmon Nutella. Can ever rock this tummy. Also, base science already found Ometepe, Garden of Eden. But guys and gals, Little Corn Island might be the one. Look at those fishy fish. Little Corn Island might be the one. What the fuck are you doing in the cities anymore? What the fuck are you doing in inhabitable countries that freaking take everything away from you? Everything. Every last good thing you have. These countries, run bodies, money masters are out to take from you. But guys and gals, this might be the one. No electricity, half a day. What? What are you talking about? We can escape the thing that is ruining humanity for half a day under the tropical sunlight in this Caribbean. Crystal clear, although it's not crystal clear right now. What the hell is going on, Caribbean? This beach is looking same as the lakes in Finland. Muddy. Yesterday it was perfect though. So maybe it's just a bad day to be a Caribbean Ocean. Anyway. What the fuck are people doing in these cities? Working on these 9 to 5 bullshit ass jobs, doing some job for these money master elites, doing the job that's giving you just barely enough to pay your freaking $2,000 or $3,000 or $4,000 to live in a bullshit ass city, like packed like sardines, non-native EMF hellhole, 5G beaming on your ass every single day, at every moment of the every single day, 24/7, sucking the life force out of your body. While you could be freaking chilling like a fishy fish in the Caribbean Ocean for $1,000, $1,000 bills a month, and eating lobster every single day. No stress to be found. Guys, hey guys and gals, check this out. Little Corn Island might be the one. It might be the one. So stay away. Don't ruin this place. Please. If they get scooters here, it's over, son. If they get electricity the whole day, it's fucking over, son. Let's keep this place pure. And get your ass out of the cities. Right about now. It might start to rain. It's the Caribbean dream. Little Corn Island makes you realize what's up and what's down in life, what's good and what's bad in life. Makes you realize that most human beings in 2025 live like absolute freaking rats, dirty ass animals. That's why everybody's sick. That's why everybody's mental health is suffering. That's why everybody got diseases. And you could be doing this, grounding like a motherfucker. No stress to be found. Except some dramatic moments. Little Corn Island makes you realize what life is all about.